Which color tube is used to collect a specimen for a complete blood count? Is the correct answer A, red top tube, no additive/clot activator? B, lavender top tube, EDTA anticoagulant? C, the green top tube, heparin anticoagulant? Or D, light blue top tube, sodium citrate anticoagulant? The correct answer is B, lavender top tube, EDTA anticoagulant. The lavender top tube is correct for CBC because of its additive, EDTA. EDTA is an anticoagulant that works by binding calcium in the blood. And since calcium is essential for the clotting process, removing it keeps the blood in its liquid state and prevents clotting. This matters for CBC because the test requires whole, unclotted blood with intact cells so the analyzer can accurately count and measure red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. EDTA is also gentle enough that it preserves the size and shape of blood cells, which is critical for the white blood cell differential portion of the CBC.